Girl. Oh no. Hey my harmonies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Symphony, and in today's video I'm going to be reviewing the collaboration with Amrezy and Pretty Little Thing. Show you guys some of the lip products that I had chose from her collection. I also recently just bought her cream blushes and her highlighter and another lip liner. That package should be coming really soon, so if you guys want to see that video, let me know in the comments and like this video. I'm gonna show you guys how her lip liners and lipsticks look like mixed match versus like her sets that she had. We're gonna be very versatile in this video, so with that being said, let's get started. My very first Pretty Little Thing package, and I just had to document this moment real quick because the packaging is so cute. It has unicorns on it and it's pink. Girly, y'all know how I am. Then all of the goodies came in this box. You guys have no idea how excited I am to review this. And I believe she had a collection out before, like the Pretty Little Thing collection. Like she had her own little lipstick or makeup line. The lipsticks I chose out from her collection were xoxo, which I'll open them in a sec. And then for the lip gloss, I decided to go with It Girl. Then for the lip liner, I had chose Midtown. The main thing I really want to focus on was her go-to set because that was definitely one of her favorites. Like obviously all of them are her favorite, that's her collection, but her go-to was named go-to for a reason. So it's Soho, Midtown, and the gloss It Girl. We're gonna start off with the lip liner. I've been waiting for the longest time to try out her collection with Pretty Little Thing, and just look at the packaging of it. It's very, you know, it's very Amrezy, okay? When I swatch this, it gives a really nice easy swatch to it. It's really smooth, it's not too creamy, and it's still holding its shape. This is like the perfect brown color, but it's not too brown and it's not too light. So yeah, we're definitely gonna try this out right now. It has the name of it on the side. Usually it'll be right here with lip liners, but she decided to put it right here. And she decided to choose a pencil type of lip liner instead of a twisted one. And with the pencil lip liner, it's just more defined versus a twisted lip liner. It's gonna have like more of a curve to it versus this one. It's gonna have more of a sharpness to it, and it's gonna be really easy just to lip line your lips better. Quick little tip, before you put on any type of lip product, make sure you add some type of moisturization to your lips so your lips don't look crusty while you put on the lip gloss or lip liner or lipstick. The lip moisturizer I used was some Vaseline. Oh, it's really smooth and easy to put on. I personally like overlighting my bottom lip so it can look bigger. Yeah, a pencil lip liner is way better than a twisted lip liner, for sure. I'll fill it in a little bit just on the inner parts right here. Oh my gosh, look how cute it looks just by itself. Like I can just go out the house right now and just wear this by itself. We're done with her. For the moment, I may reapply her. Well, most likely I'm gonna reapply her because we're gonna use these like a few different ways. I'm gonna start off with her go-to set anyway. So next we're gonna go in with Soho. This is how it looks with the packaging. Still says Amrezy with Pretty Little Thing. I love the packaging. It's very nudie, you know, very modern, classy, nudie. It's gonna look like this. Ooh, it's really pretty. Ooh, I can tell it's gonna be not really drying on my lips because you know some lipsticks can be really drying. We're gonna swatch some of it on the back of my hand. Okay, it's like a true nude. It's not pinky, it's not too light or, you know, creamy. It's like a true nude color. Ooh. Oh my gosh. I can tell I'm going to be addicted to this exact lipstick. Like, I don't own a lipstick exactly like this color or this shade at all. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh my gosh. I didn't even need a lot. It's really creamy, but it's not drying like I thought. I want it more brown right here. This is so pretty. Okay, I'm done with that lip combo. Those two, the Midtown and the Soho. Let's do the comparison with the lipstick and the lip liner so you guys can get an idea. This is how the two colors look. Like, they're literally the perfect combo, and I can clearly see why she paired these two together. So now for the lip gloss, which is It Girl. I had to get It Girl. Like, It Girl looks so beautiful. Look how pretty this is. Like, just her name right here and the pretty little thing, like, it's just so classy. And just the color that she chose for the packaging is so classy and modern. Look at this lip gloss color. I don't own a lip gloss color like this at all. You guys know most of my lip glosses are either clear or some type of sparkle in it, but not like a nudie, pigmented looking lip gloss. This is what it looks. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, this is thick. Okay, this is okay. Where's my makeup remover? This is gonna look so good on my lips. Oh, she knew what she was doing. Exactly. Like, what in the world? Amra? Girl. Oh no. Oh wait, yes. Oh yes. Okay. Oh yes. Oh my gosh. Oh. Let's take a moment to look at this combo, this go-to combo that she put together. Like, I'm shook right now. Like, you guys, y'all know, if you are not new to my channel and you've been watching me for a very long time, you know I like pretty much kind of wear like the same type of lip combos, and I rarely switch it up, but this is about to make me switch it up. Like, seriously, look how good this looks. And you can tell this is gonna go with everything. Any eye look, any type of makeup look. Not too sticky, but it is like a really pigmented lip gloss. Oh girl. But you guys, what do you think? Let me know, what do you think about this whole lip combo right here? It's so pretty, and you can tell too that it's gonna go with a lot or many different types of skin tones too. We're gonna jump on into 𝐋𝐄𝐓'𝐒. I believe this one is like more of a peachy color. I believe, let's see. Yup. Yeah, this one's more on the pinky nudie side. Still has the same packaging. Amrezy, pretty little thing. Yeah, this is like a pretty nude pink. It's like a muted pink. A muted nuded pink. Is that a word? Whatever. Ooh. Ooh, wait. The lipsticks, she did amazing on. Like, I'm not trying to be like, oh my gosh, everything is just so amazing, there's no imperfections, but as you can tell by my reaction, like, these are so good. Like, I'm not even being dramatic, these are so good. Oh my gosh. And I didn't even have to use a lot. Okay, but that's all. Yep, that is all I'm going to use. Oh, this is so pretty. I'm so glad I got 𝐿𝐿𝐒. 𝐿𝐿𝐒 is bomb. I'm gonna add some more Midtown. Like, I love Midtown. I'm so glad I got another lip liner. Whew, this took my breath away. Keep in mind, guys, I spent my own money. These were not sent to me whatsoever. I'm not getting paid for this. Even if I was, I always give my honest review, but seriously, like, I am so surprised by these. Now we're gonna try Midtown, 𝐿𝐒, and 𝐼t Girl all together. Ooh, with the gloss. Ooh. Ooh, with the gloss. Y'all see this? It really makes it pow. Like, I think it's just this gloss itself. This is like the perfect add-on to any lip combo. That's what I'm trying to say, because it's really giving that pow to my lips. Like, pew. Like, okay, one last time, I'm gonna go in with Midtown again. Went in with Midtown again in my Vaseline, but I really want to try the lip gloss just by itself. I added the lip liner just to make sure, like, you know, it's not looking, not messy, but you know, just to hold everything together and just make my lips look fuller. That's the main thing, just to make my lips look way fuller. But let's see how this looks just by itself. Just by itself, because it's so pretty. Like, it's really pretty, and you guys know I love me some glosses. So a lip liner and a gloss this time. Ooh. Oh yeah, just like I thought. Still looks bomb. It really makes your lips look popping. It's not too much, there's no type of glitter in it, it's really pigmented. Like, if you just want to do a no makeup look, besides maybe having a little bit more oomph to your lips, then using Midtown and 𝐼t Girl, these two, definitely the bomb. So my final thoughts and opinions about this right here, it's so worth getting. And for me, being a very budget-friendly type of girl, like, they're literally affordable, and the quality of them is A1. Like, she did not come to play with this collection at all. Like, she really did her thing with this, and I'm so happy for her, and I'm so proud of her, because this is perfection. It's really pigmented, not drying on the lips. Like, that was my main concern, honestly, if they were gonna be too drying or drying, but they're not drying at all. Not too creamy with the lip liner. It's like the perfect glide and application on the lips. The lipstick, like I said, it wasn't drying. The lip gloss, really pigmented, not really sticky. And everything that I mentioned in this video will be linked down below. Let me know your guys' thoughts and opinions about this. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to join the harmony. And of course, click that bell button to receive notifications from me every time I upload, okay? So I love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name, and I'll see you guys in my next video.